Hello, you guys. How are you guys doing? Welcome to Latoya Delicious Recipes. Tonight we are frying some delicious fried chicken for dinner tonight. And okay, you guys, I'm gonna do this before I get ready to go to work because I have to go in tonight. But my family wants some chicken, so let's get this started, you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead on and season this meat here. It's been washed, it's clean, and what I do, I just season my meat real good, you guys, just like that. And you should put a seasoning on there. I'm gonna rub all that together that's on top of the meat, just like that. I use my garlic powder. Yes, I do. I love garlic powder. And then I coat it with flour. After I get through, then I go ahead on and coat this with flour. When I get through seasoning it real good. Just like that. That was some delicious fried chicken, y'all. Okay, and I take the seasoning and I just rub the seasoning that I had put on there and rub that down. And then just like that. Just like that. Just like that. And I take this little flour here and I coat it with the coat the chicken with the flour. Rub it around just like that. Just like that. With some delicious fried chicken. Everybody cook different, do their chicken different. I'm just showing you how I do mine. Okay? I'm gonna bring you in a little closer so you can see me. Okay? And then I take this chicken over here and I just take it and dip it in this flour. Just like that. They got plenty of seasoning on there already. And put it in there. Just like that. The oil good and hot, y'all. Okay. Take the next piece, do the same way. Put it over in there. I got some rice back there cooking. It's doing just fine. It costs too much money just to get a box of chicken, y'all. It do. Might as well cook you some chicken at the house. Go over there to Pick and Save or Piggly Wiggly or wherever you shop at Walmart. Get that chicken and come home and fry it and feed your family. Just like that. I went ahead and took these few pieces out, so let's drop some more in. it got all right. Okay, we'll take those out just a minute. Okay, let's take these out. Real good. Okay, we're gonna drop our last batch here, y'all. This last batch here. Okay, y'all, that's the last batch. Be back with you momentarily. That's the last batch. It's frying so good, y'all. I'll take this out, y'all. Okay, y'all. This is one way of cooking some delicious fried chicken. Everybody have a different style of way they cook their chicken. Nobody cook their chicken the same. I don't think. But this is my way. Y'all be blessed and have a wonderful night. And I'll see you guys later next week. Be blessed. Later.